Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So it's been a while since I've done my own DIY. Well, done my own do it yourself, duh. But it's been a while since I've done a DIY photo shoot for you guys. So I had to do it. I was supposed to upload this the first day of spring, but things did not work out that way. So yes, everything that I use in this photo shoot is from Dollar Tree. Y'all know those famous tablecloths, Dollar Tree tablecloths. And then also the lights, of course I had myself because I didn't have an actual backdrop stand. So I had to use what I had. So the first backdrop that I have is the blue. And the reason why I picked a light blue looking tablecloth is because the idea that I had was to jump from winter to spring. So the little bluish white looking tablecloth reminded me of that, if that makes sense. My idea honestly did not go the way it was supposed to go. Like, you guys are gonna see this fake snow crap that I tried to do. It didn't work. And yeah, it just really didn't go the way I planned. So just, you know, you gotta improvise. That's basically what this is. So I measured everything out. I kind of put it to the point where it was high enough, and then I just used some tape and yeah, stuck it to the wall. The wall was my first backdrop stand, and then you're gonna see the lamps being my second background stand for my other background. So now that the first backdrop is already on the wall, it's time for me to do my, I guess, second backdrop. It's 3 backdrops in one, but I'm using 3 different colors. But I considered it one because I ended up using them all together, which you guys will see in a second. So I basically took these tablecloths, and to put them in the front, I had to improvise and again use my lamps as my stand. So this is what I'm doing now. We are definitely resourceful on this channel. So I used my hair clips to hold the actual tablecloth to the light, well, the lamp. And it worked perfectly. It stayed on majority of the day. I mean, that just fell. So, I mean, that probably doesn't look as good. But it did stay and it did work. I tried to actually clip it as you see right now, and that definitely didn't work because the duck clip was not that big, so I just left it alone. But here I go, and now for the magic. Okay, so this is where things get a little raggedy. So you guys have to keep in mind that I am using plastic tablecloth and not actual paper. So it didn't turn out the way I wanted to. My inspiration was, and I'm going to drop her below, I had an inspiration with another person who did a DIY photo shoot, and she used actual backdrop paper, and that turned out lovely. Definitely go check her video out because that's what I tried to attempt to do, and it did not work out. Like, I had so much editing and so much extra crap that I had to do because of this. So yeah, definitely use actual paper. I should have asked one of my teachers to you know that big paper that we used back in like elementary and maybe middle school and maybe even high school, I don't remember, but that big paper that the teachers have, that's what I needed. Okay, so next time I'm definitely going to do this again, and I'm going to use that because I actually want to do this to the best of my abilities. But okay, so now I have the pink and yellow. I decided to just put all of them together because I decided that the paper was already janky. Well, not paper, the tablecloth was already janky, and it's just like, why even sit there and try to keep flipping back and forth through them when I can just put them together and kind of mesh them a little bit. It worked out somewhat, but yeah, I'm just so disappointed in myself. It turned out great. I just had to really do a lot of editing, and I'm definitely going to drop the video of me editing because you guys are going to be able to, I want you guys to actually see and know how to go from like, I don't know about this to, okay, I feel a little better. So definitely stay tuned for that. But right now, all you're going to see me do is clip the pink, also the yellow tablecloth, and cut a similar hole in each one. So let's just keep watching, self-explanatory from this point on, and let's get into it.
can't even sit in peace. Cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying like me. Yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, to waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna give everywhere you need, to waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you wanted, I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, to waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you gonna waste your time, to waste your time with me. You can have all this, baby. All that you need. There's no pressure. If you got time to waste it with me. Don't close your eyes to get away. Ain't no line and I'm not cringing. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. Yeah.
And here I am in my SHEIN outfit. I actually did a haul on this outfit last year, so I just actually put it to use and used it for this photo shoot. I felt like it really complemented the whole concept, so I was really happy about that. And yeah, I definitely took those little white snowflake thingies off of the wall. Everything right now looks really trashy, but if you stay tuned for the actual editing process, you'll realize that I did it. Okay, I did the thing. And yeah, I'm ready and excited to do more. So definitely stay tuned. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. And definitely hit the notification button because you are not going to want to miss this editing video. This editing video is going to set it off to the point where it's like, okay, girl, we're going to do the same thing and we're going to edit it and make these pictures look dope. Because yeah, just y'all saw in the thumbnail, y'all see how I'm coming, y'all know how these edits are about to go. So yeah, definitely check that out. Thank you guys, love you guys, and see you guys later.